Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the dynamic and ever evolving world of streetwear fashion. Streetwear has become one of the most influential styles in the fashion industry, blending comfort with creativity and mixing high fashion with everyday wear. From oversized hoodies to statement sneakers, streetwear is all about expressing individuality and making a statement. Whether you are new to the streetwear scene or looking to elevate your existing wardrobe, this video will guide you through the essentials and trends that define this iconic style. Let's get started. Before we jump into the current trends, let's take a brief look at the origins of streetwear. Streetwear fashion has its roots in the 1980s and 1990s, heavily influenced by the skateboarding, surfing, and hip hop cultures. Brands like Supreme, Stussy, and a Bathing Ape were pioneers in creating clothing that were both stylish and functional, catering to youth subcultures. What started as a niche market has since exploded into a global phenomena, with streetwear now influencing luxury fashion houses and mainstream trends alike. To build a streetwear wardrobe, it's important to start with the essentials. These are the foundational pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. A must have in any streetwear wardrobe: graphic tees and our canvas for self expression. Whether you opt for bold logos, artistic designs, or pop culture references, a well chosen graphic tee can set the tone for your entire outfit. Comfort is key in streetwear, and hoodies or sweatshirts are a staple. Look for oversized fits, unique prints, or branded pieces that add an element of style to this casual essential. Gone are the days when joggers were only for the gym. In streetwear, they are a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. Choose ones with tapered legs or side strips for a more refined look. The crown jewel of any streetwear outfit is the sneakers. From classic brands like Nike and Adidas to luxury collaborations, sneakers are where style meets comfort. High tops, low tops, or chunky dad sneakers, there is no limit to statement you can make with the right pair. Accessories are crucial in streetwear, and caps or beanies are often the go-to, whether it's a flat brim snapback or a cozy knit beanie. Handfit can tie your outfit together and add an extra layer of cool. A timeless piece in streetwear, the denim jacket adds a rugged edge to any outfit. Must have in streetwear wardrobe: graphic tees and a canvas of self expression. Whether you opt for bold logos, artistic designs, or pop culture references, a well chosen graphic tee can set the tone for your entire outfit. Finally, the most important for streetwear fashion is to stay true to your personal style. Whether you love preppy looks, edgy outfits, or some things in between, your streetwear fashion should reflect who you are. Choose pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable, and don't be afraid to showcase your fashion sense. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment with your favorite streetwear fashion outfit, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and smile for the camera.